Personal injury can mean a lot of different things. It can be being hurt in an accident, it can be being bitten by a dog, it can be a workplace accident, it can be a slip and fall. It could be anything that affects your body and your mind as a result of the negligence of another person. So they come in to see us because they've been injured in some fashion. We'll talk with them about the injury. We'll then decide whether or not it's a case that should be taken by a lawyer, because oftentimes cases you're not going to take them because the liability aspect of it isn't there. For instance, if you were in a single car accident and you can't attribute the accident to anything but your own negligence, it'd be difficult to sue somebody else for your injuries suffered. However, if we determine that there is good liability and you have suffered injuries as a result of that liability, then we'll move forward with the case. And the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that it's been reported to the appropriate insurance company and you're getting the appropriate medical care that you would need in order to make this good for you. If there's a police report, we would want to get that. That's very important. It lays down exactly what happened at the time of the event. We'd want to find out if anybody made any statements. We will try to get as much information as we can ahead of the case being actually filed in order that we understand exactly what the case is, what the merits are, what the possible downside of the case might be, things we might want to think about having to deal with that may not be good for us. So there's a whole process in the beginning that's a discovery process. We try to find out what happened, how it happened, where it happened, who was involved, were there any witnesses, things like that in order to establish the basis for our case.